Hi and happy new year. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cass from Clutterbug, and every single week I share really simple, attainable organizing tips so you can transform your home. Today I'm in Matt and Amy's house and I'm helping them with their master bedroom. I love this for the first video because here's the thing. If you are overwhelmed with your home and you don't know where to start in the bedroom. I'm going to show you how you can declutter, organize, and completely make over your bedroom without spending a lot of money. You don't have to paint, buy furniture, or even new bedding to have a new space. And every single morning when you wake up to an organized bedroom, it's going to inspire you to organize the rest of your home.
This is our mess.
This is our biggest shame in the house.
Yeah.
So when you come over, things don't look too bad. Our friends always think that our house is in order. They think we're being dramatic. It is an absolute hot mess.
I'm so excited to be in here. This bedroom honestly isn't too bad, but it is lacking usable storage for you because dressers don't work, and that's the majority of your storage is dressers. And it's a normal size closet. I have the same size closet, but it definitely is not a walk-in.
No.
So we have to have a reasonable amount of stuff in order to make it fit and some new organization. But I want to start with Matt because I know you have to go. So I'm going to actually kick you out, Amy, unless you want to go sit and peek.
Okay.
And you and I are going to tackle this area.
Yes, yes.
We're going to deal with clothing, and I'm going to hold something up. And seriously, does this fit you? Do you like it? Is it an option? Would you put this on your body and leave the house in it today?
Yeah, I wear those for my, they're like undershirts, so I wear no cushions.
So it's a yes. Okay.
Nope.
You have a lot of t-shirts. This isn't the only, is this the only drawer of t-shirts though?
No. There's the one underneath. I have a lot of t-shirts. Welcome to more of my t-shirts.
Stop it. Stop.
Shame.
I'm so proud of you.
I could probably get rid of more, to be honest with you.
But you got rid of half. Very, very proud of you. Oh, it's like a tangled mess. You're it. High five it up top. You killed it. Go. I'm going to clean up this mess and then I'm going to have Amy come in and we're going to do hers. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to hold something up. Okay. I don't want you to touch it right away.
Yeah.
Because if you touch it, you're going to be like,
Oh, yeah.
I just want you to look at it while I'm holding it.
Okay.
And I want you to say, can I put this on my body and feel confident today?
Okay.
That's it. That's
Okay.
the only, like, does this make me feel good about myself?
Okay.
Today. Not if I gain weight, if I lose weight. Because all of these clothes that don't fit you, that don't make you feel fabulous, are bullies.
Yeah.
They're mean, nasty bullies. Oh, this is about self-respect, man, and self-love. Don't overthink it. First thought.
That one I actually do wear.
Okay.
That, no. No, those I wear. No. No. This is like when people come over and I'm like, oh no, and I shove stuff in a drawer.
I'm literally just gonna pull out and you're gonna yes, no.
Okay. Yeah, yes. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yes, I love this.
She like hugs them. Because you only have the one bar, which I call one bar-itis, you have so much wasted space in the closet. So you're just tossing stuff in because you have the hiding spot. So we have to create a no hiding spot closet where every square inch is really utilized. What I'm going to do is start pulling everything out and you're going to just yes or no.
Okay.
We're not sorting. It's going to be lots of random things.
Okay.
It's yes, no.
I'll get rid of this one and keep this one.
I am so
Gotta do it.
proud of you. Okay. This is amazing. So we're in the messy middle. We're gonna quickly clean this up, and that's it. So fast decluttering. How long have you been overthinking this bedroom?
Since we moved in, so 5 years ago. We've never done anything in this room. It's just
You
been bad.
decluttered this in, it was like 2 hours.
Yeah, it's too. I've tried to go through drawers myself. It's just too overwhelming.
I'm really impressed. We made a mess. We're quickly going to clean it up, and the next time you see me, we're going to be organizing this space so it stays tidy for good. We're back at Matt and Amy's for day 2. Last time we did a ton of decluttering, but the space really still isn't working. They have 1 bar-itis. This closet only has 1 bar, not enough storage. So we're gonna start by installing a really inexpensive closet system. So I need to take everything out. Now that the closet organizing system is installed, I'm excited to put all the clothes back. We did the big declutter the last day that I was here, and when I showed up today, I asked Amy how the closet was going, right? Now that they have less stuff. The truth is, they moved a lot of clothing from the basement up because they had the space, and Amy said she was fighting over who got more space in the closet, which is why I chose this closet organizing system. When you have a small closet and you're sharing it with someone else, just having shelving in the middle, giving yourself 4 rods, it means not only do you have more storage, but now you have a his and hers section to the closet. So no more fighting. It's really obvious. And I'm gonna give his and her colored hangers too, so that no fighting, just closet organization bliss. Now that the closet is finished, super organized, I'm always like amazed what a simple closet organizing system can do. So much more storage. The clothes are no longer like squished together. There's breathing room, there's spaces for shoes and different things. We actually were able to get rid of one of the dressers. We don't need it because we have spots for pants and workout gear now in the closet. So $200, totally worth it. Now I'm gonna start focusing on the other side of the room. So I really had my heart set on rearranging the furniture in here because we don't have a big budget. We're not painting, we're not changing anything. It's just kind of freshening up with accessories on a crazy small budget. So I thought moving the furniture around might just be that change you need, right? I don't know if it's gonna work. Ideally, I would have this centered under the window, but this headboard's a little high and I don't know if the dresses are gonna fit. We're just gonna wing it. We're trying it. Joe and Emily might kill me, but we're gonna rearrange the furniture so we can have more of like a big change without spending big money. I got some really beautiful linen curtains and I want to hang the curtain rod really high and wide, but also cheat it a bit because the window isn't centered on the wall, but I want to fake like it is. So I pushed the bed a little bit this way and then we're going to hang the curtains a little bit this way to make it look like there's one big window that's perfectly centered. One of the reasons this room felt so cluttered was because there wasn't a place for all of the clothing that wasn't dirty enough to be washed, but it was too dirty to maybe go back in the closet or in the drawers. And we all have this problem. Usually we throw it on the chair, but in this case, it was the bench. We're talking about blue jeans that you've worn once or twice, hoodies, maybe pajamas. It's all that type of clutter that a $10 hook can fix. Somewhere in your home, preferably behind your door, hang a hook to hang those clothing that aren't dirty enough to be washed, but they're too dirty to go back in your clothing storage. Now that everything's organized, it's time for finishing touches, which just means adding some little accessories. The accessories make a room. I went shopping and picked up things like lamps and pillows. I did not spend a lot. You don't have to spend a lot to really make a big difference in your bedroom. It's these little touches that just make it feel, I don't know, cozy and like home. I know Matt and Amy are going to love this. So we're finally done. I'm exhausted. It's been a really long day, but this is a crazy transformation. And I think the thing I love most about this space is we didn't spend a lot of money. It was a really budget closet organizing system, $200 and a few accessories, and that was it. I feel like this is such a great example of how big of an impact you can have on your space just by maybe rearranging furniture, doing some tidying, doing some decluttering, and a little organization. I hope you're inspired to have your bedroom be the room of your dreams and the room that you deserve. And right now, I'm going to surprise Matt and Amy with their gorgeous bedroom.
Wow, look at all
Wow.
the space.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Oh, and I don't have to like shove your stuff every time I need to get my clothes. It's a his and
vice
hers
versa.
and vice
That
versa.
is so cool. I
Oh
love
my
that.
gosh, what
That
are
is awesome.
the curtains? It makes it like the window look a lot larger.
Yes, it does. It makes everything look really cool
Like
back
the
there.
room is
Yes.
big. Like before you would walk in, I was like, bed.
This is really nice.
Better.
This is really nice.
Yeah, so you don't have to spend a lot of time or money to have a really big impact. And you guys deserve this. The rest of your house is gorgeous. And this was like a wart or something.
Yeah, that's good.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I think it was
Never worked on
because
it.
you just, it's for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're neglecting it. And I want you to put yourself first. And this bedroom should be a priority, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a space just for you, not for your kids, not for your guests, for no one else but the two of you. And now it feels like
It
an
does.
oasis.
Yes.
I mean, when we would wake up in the morning, we would just see disorganization.
Yeah.
When we would go to bed, it was disorganization and knowing in our heads. We had to wake up and it would still look chaotic.
Yeah.
So it makes your mind chaotic. So this is nice and a relief.
Yes, this is
Thank
really
you.
nice.
Thank you,
It's
thank
my
you, thank you,
pleasure.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you, and thank you everyone for watching. Happy New Year. Start in your bedroom. If you don't know where to start in your home, it's right here. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Usually in the end story, I share a humiliating and sometimes hilarious story with you about my basically ADHD brain and ADHD life, but I don't have a story for you because right now, as you watch this, I'm in Las Vegas for New Year's and I come back on the 3rd. So I'm going to have a really hilarious story for you next week. Trust me, because I behave myself 99% of the time, but in Vegas, you know, whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. It's not going to stay in Vegas. I'm going to share with you everything and it's going to be amazing. I can't wait. But in the meantime, I wanted to share with you my 30-day organizing boot camp because here is the thing. If you are ready, if you're like, enough is enough, I want to take back my house, I want to have a space that's always tidy and organized, you need a 30-day boot camp. I used to be a personal trainer and I'm channeling that inner like 50 more push-ups, you can do it in this boot camp because every day we do 30 minutes of intense organization and I do it with you step by step. We tackle a small space every day and at the end of 30 days, you will have an organized home, guaranteed, or your money back. And here's the best part. It's just $30. $1 a day is all it takes. I'm going to be honest, it's tough. It's tough. You have to show up every day and work hard for 30 minutes. But at the end of the month, at the end of January 2023, your entire home will be organized. So click the link in the description. Join me, hang out with me every day for 30 minutes, and together we are going to make our home look like thebomb.com. or at least very organized and tidy. Okay, thanks so much. Hey, next week, come on back, hit that subscribe button because we're with Matt and Amy again, tackling their storage room in the basement, which was insanely cluttered. And now it's gorgeous. So you don't want to miss that, and I'll see you then.